Traveling abroad or speaking with someone in another language. The Pocketalk S makes communication easy with fast two-way voice and camera translation, all in a compact, pocket-friendly device. What's in the box? Inside the box, you will find the Pocketalk S device, USB-C charging cable, USB wall charger, user manual. How to pair. Turn on Wi-Fi from settings, select your wireless network, enter the password, and tap Connect to establish the connection. Enable Bluetooth in settings, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode, select it from the available devices, and tap Pair to connect. Basic operations. Tap. Scroll. Swipe. How to use. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device, choose your display language, and complete the initial setup. Select your source and target languages, or tap Swap to change the translation direction. Press and hold the talk button, speak, then release to see and hear the translation. Open the camera feature, point it at printed text, capture the image, and view the translated text on the screen. Press the volume up or volume down buttons on the side of the Pocketalk S to increase or decrease the speaker volume. You can easily search for the language you want with the following methods. Basic screens. Home screen. Main menu features. Lock screen. How to charge. Connect the USB Type-C cable to the device and a power source. The battery indicator shows the charging status, and the device is ready to use once fully charged. Smart features. Enjoy fast, one-button voice translation with clear text and audio for smooth real-time conversations. Capture printed text with the built-in camera and instantly view clear, accurate translations on the screen. Translate across 80+ languages with quick voice and text translation, making communication easy anywhere. The lightweight, pocket-sized design offers comfortable one-hand use and easy portability for travel and everyday use. Stay connected with built-in mobile data, allowing you to translate almost anywhere without relying on public Wi-Fi or a smartphone hotspot. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.